Hello, everybody. So, right now we're going to go through our less than freehold or our leasehold estates. So, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of this in a little under 5 minutes. So, let's take a look at this. What is a less than freehold or leasehold estate? So, what that is it's actually when the freehold estate holder, okay, and freehold estate, that is ownership, right? So, when we have a freehold estate, we have the full bundle of rights. We have the right to possess, use, transfer, exclude, and encumber. Okay? And it is for an indefinite period of time, as opposed to our less than freehold or leasehold estates, where what happens is the freehold estate holder is actually transferring the right to use and possess the property for a defined period of time to the less than freehold estate holder or the leasehold holder, or what we would refer to them as the tenant, or also the lessee, the one who's receiving the lease. So we have four different types of leasehold estates or less than freehold estates. First one is our estate for years. That has a defined end date. An estate for years has a defined end date. Second, we have the periodic estate, where what happens is there is a set period and it automatically renews for whatever that period is. Most common that most people refer to would be a month to month. So it's a 1 month period defined and it auto renews. Next one would be a tenancy at will. Tenancy at will is usually created when there's a holdover tenancy, and it's a legal holdover tenancy where the tenant is staying in the property and the landlord is fine with that, but there is no defined end date as to when that will terminate. However, it's something that it will at some point end. Then the last one, which is our lowest interest that you can have in real estate. If we refer to fee simple as the highest, tenancy at sufferance would be the lowest. This is a holdover estate where the landlord is not allowing the tenant to stay. However, they still are staying in the property. And that is something where the landlord could actually then pursue the process of actual eviction. So that's your less than freehold estates, guys. Hope you have a good one. Again, any comments, hit that below, hit the like button, and we will see you soon.